the treatment, but you know, what I wish for her is have a good life. Sure that will have a good life and sana makahanap ka ng mas magandang opportunity.
Gosh. Tissue.
Thank you, guys.
Okay, so this is just the usual certificate, just to say that she was from us. So this is for Yulani. This is just a small frame, just to indicate that for the last how many 4 years? 4 years, we have been part of Adama, and the picture is very small, but I'm sure napakalaki ng experiences mo dito, both positive and negative, and keep all the happening. Thank you very much. At dahil magaling kang lumupo. Okay, this is from all your colleagues in Adama. Okay.
Bahayat mo pa.
Okay, anyone else who wants to say something for Delani? Hi, kami kaya. No friends. Where is friends?
No friends. Friends. O go, Tete.
I've been 3 years here in Adama. Every Friday we get together. Ayaw umiyak, ayaw salita. Walang hirap ako sa amin. Mama, magsasapakan yan.
You are the original ones, remember, you, Romel, and me. Romel is dead. But still, you will be my friend forever, even if you get out of Adama, and I'm sure you'll be coming back, and I'm wishing for a comeback. And you've been such a good friend, everything, yung ups and downs natin, lahat ng mga pagkakaunawaan, nagdadal natin, good luck. More better opportunities ahead. Just thank you for being one of the most nag-turn down sa akin. Thank you for being here. No, I'm very sure talaga. Thank you for being me. Sa lahat ng problema pinagdaanan ko, nandiyan ka. Kahit umalis ako ng Jeddah, bumalik at aalis ulit. Thank you talaga kasi I don't need so much strength. I can count only on my fingers. Pero yung trusted ko, na kahit ano nangyari, hindi inopen yung secret ko. Yun yung friends eh, di ba? Kahit ano nangyari na sa'yo, nandyan, hindi yung magalit na, sige na, kung ano na sinabi, kung ano na. Pero ngayon, minsan, yung sinabi ko kagabi, puro yung nararamdaman nyo, yung inintindi ko, pero minsan ba, inintindi ko kung ano nararamdaman ko. Sa lahat, walang meron ko kaya sana may magandang problema na kagaya ng nangyari sa akin. Kasi tatawagin mo din lang lang. Sorry.
Naiyak ako dun. Naiyak ako, te.
Thank you. I love you, Ate. I miss you. I love you too. I miss you.
Ano ba yan? Gaby, kumuha.
Tapang tayo. Kunyari.
Okay.
Yun yung matapang.
Ipit nila kami. Kung gutom na gutom.